Hello everyone, my name is Harshal Patil and today I will be representing my project on Madrid houses data analysis. In this project, I have analyzed real estate trends in Madrid to identify key investment opportunities and factors influencing property prices. Using Power BI, I've created an interactive dashboard that helps visualize the critical insight into the housing market. The goal of this analysis is to assist investors, home buyers, and real estate professionals in making informed decisions based on the data-driven insights. The primary objectives of these projects are analyzing Madrid's real estate market trends to understand price variations, identifying the best investment opportunities based on property features, determining the key factors influencing property prices, such as gardens, pools, and development status, and then building an interactive Power BI dashboard to effectively communicate these insights. Now, let's move on to the core analysis and findings. So the first questions, so the first question was asked is identify and remove duplicated listings in the dataset. How will you use Power Query to manage duplicates and keep only the most recent listing based on the ID and each duplicated columns? So for that, what I've done is first I've gone through all the data and from the ID column, so from ID column, what I've done is I've removed all the duplicate values from the column using the remove duplicate function. And then I've come close and applied and loaded the data into the Power BI app. So on to the next question, which is create a report that analyzes how different features such as having a pool, garden, or being a new development affect the average property price, which features correlate more strongly with higher prices. So for that, what we've done is we've we analyzed the price and we took up the average buy price, average price for the houses with gardens, average price for the houses new developed, and average price from the houses which has pools. For that, what we've done is we use the DAX average house price. And then for the average price of gardens, what we've done is again we calculated the average of houses which has garden, and for the new development again we did the same. We got the calculate the average of houses which are newly developed, and again we calculate the average price of the houses which has pool. Then we created these three bar charts, column charts, which compares the average price with garden and average price of the houses which is new developed and average price of the house which has pool. And in the funnel chart, we compare all the average prices of the houses which has garden, pool, and newly developed. And from that, we got this analysis. We got these insights where suggest that the houses with garden has significantly higher prices. The average price of houses with a garden is 1.92 million, whereas houses without a garden are priced around 556K. This suggests that having a garden is a highly desirable feature that drives up property prices. Houses with pools are more expensive. Properties with pools have an average price of 997K, whereas those without a pool are priced at 546.62K. That indicates that pools add substantial value to properties in Madrid, and the newly developed houses have low prices. The average price for the newly developed house is around 587K compared to the older houses, which is 658K. This could imply that new houses are either located in less expensive areas or have smaller size compared to the older properties. So again, for the next question, we have segment the property market into categories based on house type ID for each category. Calculate the average square meter price and identify the top five most lucrative investment opportunities based on square meter build and loan interest rate. So for that, what we've done is we calculated the average price per square meter by house type. For that, what we've done is we got this bar chart and we have the house type IDs and then we have the average price per square meter. And for the house type ID, what we've done is for the average price per square meter, what we've done is we divided the average house price by the average of square meter built and then we got the average price per square meter. And then what we've done here in the table is we calculated the average buy price, average price per square kilometer, and investment score. For investment score, what we've done is we have divided the average buy price by the average price per square meter. So we got this investment score, and we compare the all four house type IDs here. From that, what we have is the insights. Cash shared houses are the most expensive. Highest average buy price is around 1.8 million, indicating premium value, and lowest price per square meter 4.1K, suggesting larger space. Atticos, which is penthouse, having the highest price per square meter, most expensive per square meter, showing high demand, and the second highest investment score, making them valuable. Duplex houses offer a good investment balance, high investment score, 178.33, making them a solid choice and competitive price per square meter compared to the pesos. Pesos, which is apartment, are the most affordable ones. Lowest average buy price around 520K, making them accessible, and mid-range price per square meter, balancing the cost and space. On to the next question, which is design a comprehensive dashboard that indicate filters for region. His exterior has pool and is new developed incorporate values that dynamically adjust to show data such as average price, total listing, and average square meter price. So for the next question, which is a dashboard. So here we created the dashboard for Madrid House data analysis, and we also have these slices over here. The first one is exterior, so the house in the exterior part of the city or not. So we can choose the exterior part or not. Then we have the neighborhood ID. We can select this specific neighborhood, and according to that, all the functions have changed. We have these house types. You can then we have the average buy price of the houses, average price with houses with garden, average price for the newly developed houses, average price for the houses with pools. Then we compare the average prices here in the column charts. We have this bar chart where we compare the average price per square meter by house type. In the table, we compare the average price per square meter, and the investment score. Onto the key insights. What we have houses with gardens are nearly 3.5 times more expensive than those without. Pools add significant value, increasing the average price around 450K. New developments are priced lower, possibly due to location or size difference. Associated houses have the highest buy price, 1.8 million, but the lowest price per square meter, indicating larger property sizes. Atticos have the highest price per square meter, suggesting high demand of premium high-rise properties. Duplex properties offer a strong balance of investment score and price per square meter. Leaseholds are the most affordable option with a moderate price per square meter, and the investment score is highest for K-social properties, making them the top investment choice. Duplex and Atticos are close competitors in price per square meter, making them mid to high tier investment. Price trends suggest that property features like garden, pool, house type influence pricing more than development status. And according to the interactive dashboard and the key insights, we have some key suggestions. So first of all, it's avoid houses with the gardens or pools. They significantly increase the price 1.92 million for gardens and 997K for pools. Opt for properties without this feature to save cost. Consider newly developed house. They are cheaper compared to the older ones, making them a cost-effective option. Look for Pisos, which is apartments. They have the lowest average price, around 520K, and a decent price per square meter, making them the most affordable option. Avoid casual chalet houses. While they have the highest investment score, they are very expensive and might not be the best for the budget-friendly purchase. Duplex property offer a good balance. They have a moderate price per square meter and strong investment score, making them a valuable mid-range option. Atticos are expensive per square meter. If space isn't a concern, we might find better value in older property types. Atticos penthouses are expensive per square meter. If space isn't a concern, you might find better value in other property types. Prioritize location over additional features since garden and pool raise cost. Focusing on location and house type can help maximize value for money. So as you can see, we have solved the questions. The question second, which is to compare the average price houses with garden, newly developed houses, houses with pool, and the average price for house in Madrid. The- For the next question, we compare the average price per square meter, and the investment score according to the house type. And for the investment score, we calculated the we calculated the house average buy price and divided it with the average price per square meter, and we compare all the average price per square meter by house type and all of the insights we've created this dashboard where we have the average price for houses with garden, houses with pool, and newly developed houses. And again, the table we've compared the average price per square meter, and the investment score, and the average price per square meter according to the house type. To conclude, this analysis provides a data-driven approach to understand Madrid's real estate market. Power BI dashboard allows users to explore property trends and make informed investment decisions. Looking ahead, there are several ways to enhance this project further, integrating the external economic factors such as inflation and interest rates to understand their impact on house prices. We can add the predictive analytics to forecast the future property price trends using some key insights and the forecasting method. And thank you for watching my presentation on Madrid house data analysis. I hope this project provides valuable insight for real estate investor and home buyers. Thank you.